Good morning, students. All you are welcome to the 8th lecture of lesson 2 regarding the separation of two or more miscible liquids by fractional distillation. Let's go through contents. Today's topics to be covered are: number 1, separation by fractional distillation, in which we will discuss about the definition as well as the principle on which fractional distillation depends. Then fractional distillation and apparatus. During this topic we will discuss about the apparatus used for fractional distillation, thereafter applications of fractional distillation, and at last the separation of major gases of air. Let's discuss the separation by fractional distillation distillation. Now, definition. Fractional distillation is the process of separation of two or more miscible liquids by distillation, in which the distillate is being collected in fractions which are boiling at different temperature. Now, what is the meaning of the distillate? Actually, a distillate is the vapors in a distillation that is collected and condensed इनटू लिक्विड फॉर्म. कहने का मतलब ये है कि डिस्टिलेशन से उत्पन्न वेपर्स को कंडेंस या कूल करके जो प्रोडक्ट प्राप्त किया जाता है उसे डिस्टिलेट कहते हैं. नाउ द प्रिंसिपल ऑन विच द फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन डिपेंड्स. The separation of two liquids by fractional distillation depends on their difference in their boiling points. So children, to separate a mixture of two or more miscible liquids for which the difference in their boiling point is less than 25 Kelvin, fractional distillation process is used. For example, the separation of different gases from air as well as the different fractions from petroleum products, etc. Means फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन वह प्रोसेस है जिसके द्वारा किसी भी मिक्सचर के कंपोनेंट्स जिनके बॉइलिंग पॉइंट्स का डिफरेंस 25 केल्विन से कम होता है को अलग किया जाता है. लेट्स डिस्कस the apparatus used for fractional distillation. As you can see in the diagram, the apparatus used for fractional distillation is similar to that of the simple distillation, except that a fractionating column is fitted, as you can see, as a long vertical tube fitted in between the distillation flask as well as the condenser, both. Now, what is the fractionating column? Actually, a simple fractionating column is a long vertical tube-like structure packed with glass beads. Glass beads, कांच की गोलियां. The beads provide a large surface area for the vapors to cool and condense repeatedly, as you can see in the diagram. Now, the applications of fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is used for various purposes, such as: number 1, fractional distillation is used to separate mixtures of miscible liquids like alcohol water mixture. Number 2, fractional distillation is used to separate crude oil known as the petroleum into useful petroleum products such as kerosene, petrol, diesel, etc. Number 3, fractional distillation of liquid air is used to separate various gases of air such as nitrogen, argon and oxygen. Now, our last topic for today's class, and that is the separation of major gases of air. Students, here the following flow diagram shows the steps for separating major gases of air. Students, as you know that air is a homogeneous mixture and it can be separated into its components by fractional distillation. So if we want to separate oxygen gas from the air, then we have to separate out all the other gases present in the air also. For it, first the air is compressed by increasing the pressure and is then cooled by decreasing the temperature to get liquid air. This liquid air is allowed to warm up slowly in a fractional distillation column where gases get separated at different heights depending upon their boiling points. Such as the liquid nitrogen present in the liquid air has the lowest boiling point. सबसे boiling point कम होता है इसका और वो होता है -196 डिग्री सेल्सियस. And so on warming liquid nitrogen boils off first to form nitrogen gas, and this nitrogen gas is collected from the top part of the fractional distillation column. Then liquid argon, which is also present in the liquid air, has a slightly higher boiling point of minus 186 degrees Celsius temperature. So liquid argon boils off next and collect as argon gas in the middle part of the fractional distillation column. And at last, liquid oxygen present in liquid air has a still higher boiling point of minus 183 degree Celsius of temperature. So liquid oxygen boils off last and collected as oxygen gas from the bottom of the fractional distillation column. Students, here we also conclude that the nitrogen gas forms the liquid first as the air is cooled. Thank you.